Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I am going to talk about the registration process of patents. So patent registration in India is a crucial process that provides inventors with exclusive rights over their inventions. So now the first point we are going to talk about is the eligibility criteria. So any person including individuals, companies or legal entities can apply for a patent registration in India. The invention must meet the criteria of novelty, inventive step and industrial applicability. So now the second point we are going to discuss here is the application process. The patent registration process begins with filing of a patent application with the Indian Patent Office, that is the IPO. The application can be filed either online or offline and it should include a description, claims and drawings if applicable for the invention. So now talking about the types of patent applications, there are two types of patent applications in India. First is the provisional and the latter is complete. A provisional application provides temporary protection and establishes priority. A complete application, on the other hand, must be filed within 12 months of the provisional application of applicability to obtain full patent protection. So now talking about the examination and publication. So after filing the complete application, the IPO examines the patent application to assess its patentability. The examination process includes a search for prior art and an assessment for the invention's novelty and inventive steps. Once the application meets the criteria, it is published in the Indian Patent Journal. So now talking about opposition and examination report. During the publication, any person can file a pre-grant opposition within 4 months of the challenge of the patent application. The IPO then issues an examination report which highlights any objections or modifications required for patent grant. So now I am going to discuss the major point, which is the response and the hearing, and after which I will be discussing grant of patent. The application must respond to the application examination report within the specified time frame, addressing the objections raised. If the examiner is satisfied with the response, the application proceeds to the next stage. Otherwise, a hearing can be requested to present arguments in support of the patentability of the invention. If the application successfully clears the examination stage and all objections are resolved, the IPO grants the patent. The patent owner is then entitled to exclusive rights over the invention for a period of 20 years from the date of filing of that particular application. So now, as the patent holder, the inventor has the exclusive rights, as we all know, to use, sell or license the patented invention. In case of infringement, the patent owner can enforce their rights through legal proceedings seeking remedies such as injunction, damages or royalties. So now talking about the international patent protection, India is a member to the World Intellectual Property Right Organization, that is the WIPO, and adheres to the Patent Corporation Treaty, that is the PCT. Inventors can seek international patent protection through the PCT route, simplifying the process of filing application in multiple countries. So now I am going to conclude this. So patent registration in India offers inventors the opportunity to protect their innovation or the innovative ideas and gain exclusive rights over their inventions. By following the prescribed procedures which I discussed and meeting the patentability criteria, inventors can secure their intellectual property and leverage it for commercial purposes. So now if you guys have any doubt, you can get back to me in the comment section and I will just resolve your queries regarding this topic, which is the patent registration in India. So thank you so much and have a nice day.